Hello, today we will guide you through how to block spam emails in Outlook. To get started, open the Microsoft Outlook application and make sure you're on the main mail screen. This process helps you stop unwanted messages from reaching your inbox, which can make your email easier to manage and a lot less distracting. Once Outlook is open, move your attention to the top right area of the screen and look for the Settings icon. This is usually shown as a small gear symbol. Click on Settings to open the Options panel. This is where Outlook keeps many of the controls for customizing your mail experience. After the Settings panel appears, click on Mail. This section contains the main email-related preferences, including tools for organizing messages, creating rules, and managing unwanted senders. From there, select Junk Mail. The Junk Mail area is where Outlook lets you control how spam and suspicious messages are handled. When you're in the Junk Mail settings, scroll down toward the bottom of the page. Take your time here because the option you need may not appear immediately depending on your screen size. As you scroll, look for the section labeled Blocked Senders and Domains. This is the part of Outlook that allows you to manually block specific email addresses or entire domains that are sending spam. Click on Blocked Senders and Domains, then choose Add Blocked. This opens a field where you can type in the email address you want to block. Enter the sample email address you'd like to stop receiving messages from. Be careful to type it correctly, because blocking the wrong address could prevent wanted messages from coming through. Once the email address is entered, click OK to confirm. Outlook will then add that sender to your blocked list. After that, future messages from that address should be filtered out according to Outlook's junk mail settings. This is a simple but effective way to cut down on repeated spam from the same sender. If needed, you can return to the same junk mail settings area at any time to review, remove, or add more blocked senders and domains. That's all it takes to block spam emails in Outlook. Following these steps can help keep your inbox cleaner, safer, and easier to manage.